Let's go request ask a request kinse busy ska la request no yo lekker vrijdag lekker vrijdag lekker vrijdag lekker vrijdag lekker vrijdag lekker vrijdag re tlo bua ka modavaso re tlo bua ka modavaso re a kopa boho le cross choir re tlo bua ka modavaso re tlo bua ka dintho tse monate lekker vrijdag lekker vrijdag modavaso lekker vrijdag lekker vrijdag kom bua ka modavaso vandag ya tseba ka 9 o'clock tje re be re bua tadi bedroom issues lekker vrijdag mara nka lenkela banna yo he banna ba lona ba ka inbox no ha ba ka bampona banna ba lona ba ka inbox no lekker vrijdag lekker vrijdag lekker vrijdag bana ba lona ba ka hlanya hle bana ba hlanyane ke apara dikete bana ba hlanya bana ba lona ba banga green lengwa tetse because bana ba lona ba le ba mpatla bana ba lona ba le ba mpatla ke a lelwana ha le qetile la le jetsa butiane ya nana rata ro Jesu ke a le mojetsa hore ang khalimele kanti le maka bana ba lona ba interested all le tshabisa bana ba lona le di boyfriend tsa lona because ke tsere style batho ba lona ba le ba mpatla ke a le tloa le lo jetsa o butio le na re o Jesu what Udioni taro Jesu ut. Ya ba se ke tshisa dipenti tsa ka le dikhete tsa ka nna ngwana batho. Ile hore le bohloko yes ni bohlungu man le bohloko ha ke apere dikhete tsa ka ke le smart kore ke le smart yo ya le tsama le lo jetsa butu mong o butu na fihla re o Jesu o ya ba ke di tshisa dikete tsaka la thaba mamenemeleki ya lo le mame basadi bana ba sokola go thola banna tlonkwana lona ba sokola go thola banna lona ba sokola go thola banna lona ba sokola go setlela ka di boyfriend izana pha bantwana ba tlonkwana bana ba go gae tlonkwana yes ke yo ke uswa ka tsheko manaka ke kene ka mane ka Indian shapa Indian e jwale ke kene ka mane ka Indian ke njella mona he o sa hlanya ba kena bo Holy Cross Choir. This guy must come out of the toilet, of the closet. Hey, Banjela Mona is grazing. Bagena bo Holy Cross Choir. Banababo Jesus Christ. But is disgracing. But is disgracing the kingdom of God. Bofo Baba Jesus. Libo swar. Karicha babola. Boswar ba Jesu. Libo motswala. Libo the in-laws Saint Jesus. Lino batot. The in-laws Saint Jesus but Jesu mo he said it is repentant. Jesus atla kinya mathate o Yesu mohlana tsamana ha ka introduce batho ba tlo re salang ba re katile jale o sentse ka hore moyo halalela o tla re thusa ba re rula re tla thusa moyo hala morena Jesu o itse ke lisia le moyo halalela but taba sala by party position are ya o re tla re sia le moya halang a re ikene ba re will take over ya banka over ba will take over ba will take over itse Jesu are morena Jesu antare ke tla ke tlo le ahlola ka tsatsi le leng ba re wena we are wasting your time but will judge for now with immediately bayat le tla ba bona ba tlo judge no bayat itse morena Jesu are I will come soon to judge ke ba re ba bohlale ba re no you are wasting our time will judge for the time being or will take off the in-laws yeah bana ba Yesu ke ba tshaba mpi bana ba bo Yesu re tlo bua ka mdavazo bana baka especially lona bo osumba ba monate ka mo bona lona ba monate haholo tlonkwana nina ba monate izana pha namhlanje because ke tswa le monate shikela mpotsa re ke tswela kae ke tswa le monate ke tswa le monate lona ba monate tlonkwana bana baka ba tla ba bo Holy Mercy baka Holy waka ba tla the baby daddy tsa Jesu the baby mama tsa morena Jesu ba tla mo ba tlo quote the baby mama tsa morena Jesu e ka re ba entse Jesu e ka re ba entse ngwana le morena Jesu ka mogo ba tla ba lwana ka teng. So guys, I been come down with him. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes. Yes, girl. I been come down with Luna ba munati. Luna ba munati ahol. Eh. Kilibit. Why kilibit? Something. Yes. Sonto Belia. Yeah. Hey, Vapulos. I never process about Sabasha. Yo. Mpapulos, I gotta get company about salvation. Salvation. I gotta get company about Pulos. I gotta make it company. Salvation. I gotta get company. Ba tloana tla ba utla ba tlotla ba lwana ba etsa salvation ka re ke company ya bona ba pholose na lentina mpe ba pholose wa hle yo ha ina ditina lentina ha ka re lentse pholose salvation company ya lo. So guys, ha re buen ka lona ba monate nina aba mnandi ba mnati nati tonkwana bana ba ka ke tlo bua le lona fanda o ke lo bua le lona ke le ntoma ha ke tsebe man ka pa ke ntse ke le sister Jakubeta ka pa ntse ke le mang sister Jakubeta. Yes, ke tlo bua le lona lona ba monate izana pa bantwana ba lona ba monate nati tonkwana ke ba ka bua le basadi bana ba monate because ba monate kwa ba mnandi yona le ba monate ai le basadi ba monate yo na le basadi ba good kore o monate asa it's mu vai kuri it's mu firifiri kukho abantu abamnandi nje engekho veltas asimu firifiri ba utlo sho how kena fela udibana nomlilo sana udibana nefire udibane nefire how qeta ukinya ntwa udibane nomlilo sana kopana le fire ubane kukho ondi una le ditofo ngwanaka ditofo una le ditofo kukho abantu abazi ondi ke ditofo ngwanaka ke ditofo tsena tsa di bakery ke di onto tsena tsa di bakery mo ba kuang bohobe teng hona le batho ba leng ditofo aka chifi kore o ya kgaula kore yo ba di best ba chifi le sana because ke di onto ba bang ba lona le di onto bana baka nizo le di onto tsa Sasco tse tsang blue ribbon le tsa bohobe bo le mlate la ba lona le mlate le chisa yo nda chisa le chisa no ai kore la kwa tsedi ikare motho ka entsha o ifafatsa ka metsi o e ka re kai wa ikhupela ka phandle ingathi ga ifafatsa ka re ka ifafatsa ka metsi the way le di besa ka teng dintho tsa rona di bura force tsa rona le di besa hore o tlo re ha o ya chisa nomntana man o chisa hore ka re o ka entsha o ifafatse tsena ka metsi o iphodise lona le chisa hey yo hlola ke shebile ke re ntwena ibesitswe chisiwe hayi chiswe bayodile sang bayibesitse bayibesitse intshu yaka ililahle ke chakona hayi chisitse bachisile hayi bayodile sana bayibesitse jwala ka poni hayi ditse di mamollo bayichisile mare ka go jwetse kaofela bona ba ichisitseng ha bakho tu abekho ba fitile jwale ka ba fitile pass by of the mist o kira fihla misting o thole hona le mist hona le mist ntanam hona le mist but Misty be feta ba fitile jwale ka pass by of go ba fitile jwalo ka di onto tseno tsa bola ba fitile ka di onto hayi bantwana bam uzawugqitha ngalo ondi yakho kathe o tla feta ka onto yenu yawo tatsinena ke tlo le khalemela ke tlo bua le lona ka feta ngwanaka o tla feta ka kene ka onto o tla feta le onto yenu ya hao zawugqitha o tla feta ngwanaka a gore ke kene ka ke kopa ya ka papatsong fela le se la tsamaya a ke la tsaba TikTok ba lwana kopa pota ka papatsong fela ai jwale nansi ngxaki bantwana bam lona batho ba monate ba good because lona le monate lona skela tsamaya kyaka skela tsamaya bana baka skela tsamaya ke live TikTok le Facebook batho ba hlola ba tap the screen etsang jwalo hleng a ke tsebe why le tap screen tap the screen ke kopa le tse jwalo now hona le batho ba so hey ke dintho tsena ntwe na bitswa vice grip ntwe e bitswa vice grip ntwe e bitswa vice grip hona le batho ba ke di vice grip sana o ibamba so o tshwara ke vice grip sana kukho abantu abazi vice grip ai tshwara hona ba bang le na le di vice grip vice grip motula tulo le na le di vice grip lola ai bana bes ai baba mbona le na le tsona ba tsona gore le tshwara ibe ka re ke suicidal e ka re ke suicidal e ka re le bolaya le tshwara e ka re ne ibulala ka re ke suicidal of the o iphanyea kana ukuzichoma into bazalwane thethani bazalwane kana uyiphanyea ke ukuzichoma into na is to suicidal of the hand shift yes is to suicidal of the hand shift lola baba lola ntwe le tshwara tse yes le tshwara tse hey motho ba lla jwale ka pudi le nna ha le kella le ne vice grip ba re tloeng ke le jetse ha le na banna anina matota ka di vice grip tseno tsa lona banna tololo haya matota ke khosana nezo vice grip zenu anina matota anina banna alena batho le tshwara ntwa motho le tshwara e ka re ke suicidal of the hand shift hang shift intoni how iphanyea intoni hle bazalwane nthuse how iphanyea uzichoma intoni le tshwara ka re ke hang shift of the suicidal gore we tshweretse le di tshwara tsena le na le di vice grip bantwana bam ni bamba le tshwara hore sikhale gore re tshware re le re be re sise pelo sikhale site re be re sise pelo se bethi singala Sibethi igqala risisepilo indoda ikhale ibe sisepilo. Lola, hi. Eli release man, li release resisepilo man. Kuri. Mar ka bo madimaki anina matota. Nisikhalisa njalo li release njalo mara halena bana nanzu into buhlungu ke yona ntho kutlwa yena inferekanya anina madoda jalo re tlo sheba the cause why lisna banna skele bana es lekker vrydag mense vandag es lekker vrydag ke ten TikTok onyaka ya Pastor November and Victorious TikTok ke Dr November ka Pastor November Facebook ke Dr ke Pastor November PS November VFM PS November VFM ki Facebook for now. Jole! Hakore ki kene papatsong. Ki ak, skela nyame. Skela tama. Di papatso. Ay! Jole! Why listen nyalwe? Motho ka ipotsa potso jwana. Hale le device creepy le vota kumnandi now motaka iputsa potso ukuthi jole why lisanyana kongelo jetsa bana baka ha re qale mona nkile ka yetsa ka nako e nngwe ntwe demonstration nkile ka yetsa demonstration ke kopa le njwetse ke first smart mo ke kopa le njwetse ke first smart mo ke kinyetse na tsamaga ke kinyetse na tsamaga ke first smart mo ke first smart mo ke first smart mo ke first smart mo tap away okay mpar tap away ka usela ba tap away mo re pinki ka TikTok mo bar tap away. Bar tap away. Now, botata ba tap away. Bo smart. Botata ba tap away. Bo smart. Mar problem ya tap away. Empty. Problem ya tap away. Empty. Yona hobank intle tap away. It's smart yona. It's smart. Here. It's smart. But the problem at tap away, it is smart, but it's empty. That is the problem. Now, margarine stock in a little cake. Margarine. Yeah. In a little cake here. Huh? Papa will. In care. Mary empty. Tap away. In care. Mary empty. Maria. Hind. Mary Monat. Inali. Nali dunto. Luna basa nyalwe. Luna babaka. Nkile ka ruta. One day, nkile ka ruta mo. Karbana baka. Mutana yeta bra. Li penti. Mutono bushalo. Uyenze bra. Hore etsamaye li penti ya teng. Di match. Uyenze mutayenze bra. Uyenze bra. Hore etsamaye li penti. So that dintho tsena di etse jwang di match le mametse batho ba Facebook. Mutayenze penti. Uyenze penti le bra so that di match. Eni penti hlala phi? Penti idula mo. paint e dula mo but e matcha le bra ne paint e matcha le bra now nanti into ebetha abantu abamnandi nanti into ebetha ntwe shapa batho ba monate ke batho ba ntwe etsang basadi ba monate hore ba se ba nyalwa mara ba le monate o fumana umuntu mnandi kodwa ka chatwa le monate bana baka le na le di figure le smart le tshwana le thapa o yena le smart mara motho ka ipotsa re kutheni nga chatwa why le sa nyala le smart tsanke le thusa bana ba go ga ka speed motho a entseng bra o yentse penti a etsa bra or both of them ziambisane zimatch now basadi ba bangata ba mnandi up mo ba mnati ka mo mara ka mo le ka mo ba empty ha ba empty ene tsanke le jwetse bo osbaka ezi zinto zifanele zimatch and I'm not saying basadi fela but le banna but ezi zinto di tshwantse di matche bana ba ka mamelenhleng le tla jwetswa ke nna sister Jakubeta turbetse ya gale na me turbets bana ba ka niza uxelela ndim le tla jwetswa ke nna dim kha I'm the only way I'm the only person who's supposed to tell you the honest truth of the go deeper. I'm the only person. Now, this something image, Banabaka, Munati Omo, Obumnant, Obulap, no Bulap, Munato. The final the match. How the Munati Mona zipping a bloomer rembola. How the Munati bloomer ring. Nala pengon de Basha, Salifan, come on. Le Salifele, come on. Huh, come on. And Jolly Luna, Baba Luna, yo, Lansansa, I Lansanisa, Lansansa, because Baba Baluna, Limunatum up, yo, Nimnand up, Nimnandi, I Jackaman, I Jackaman, oh, hey, hey man, hey! Nalabana baba tubaring, how about Sere Hanke, Utore, Ukamujeta or Usaka Kikopa, Utola Tamunehe, was on that. Thank gift you. Utore, the one who told Sering Hanke, and some Tomunatic, Utoro, Ukaru Karuana, is Otatum Nikel, don't come the hell or son. Mutiana the way Alimnataka Ukaru Hoyana, Toton come the hell or son. Lidica Velocati. Hey! I'm not Lunatic. Yania Shek, I am not Babambalon. I am not. But Botata Luna, a little bit shapa to match. Umechise, Jaleka Brali paint, and because the matches up. Omnant, Yamunat, ya good sexually. Up upstairs. Anna Kelly, Legamo. Little Georgia Turbes, Sister Jakubeta. Here, the Gajot again. Gajot again. I got to match a banaka. I got to match. Oh, I know he's here. I heard. I know me, she's a man. I know me, she's a straight. I know me, she's a man. Kurikare. Lona. Kurukare. Na kwa telu uto mutoka mkhani mnatikati. Marhabua. Habua kahano. Reasoning capacity high. The way I handle and the problem, the way I handle the challenges, the way I handle the conflict. Ika rokaro yana oswaka ke kopa ntwena ha o ife motho e mong wa ka tje kore kare hona le batho ba kare kore kare oswaka ke kopa ntwena hle maybe le swapile kore utlwe kare oswaka ke kopa ntwena o lo ifa hona le motho ke mo ratang a holo mara ha monate so ekare le kwa swapa Hey! Kore, wa tsa ke re jetse nnete ba bang ba lona ho tla no gona hala hore re utswe dintho tsa lona sefapang sa modimo ne le tlo tswa le sa tsebe re le tshetsa ka eng bene za vuka ekseni ungayazi khupha amanzi ngantoni ile hore kinkile ke lo ifa that decent woman le tswa o se le tsara le papa mo se le re papa o le khlata o setse mokotinyana wa strong hey because le lantse monate ai le lantse monate ma ya ke be ke ko re ka ro ka botsa motate bodimo wa ntwela no ibe ya ntwe monate so no ibe ya danda hating ye moto o re tate bodimo mara ile re ke factory fault ho etsa etse phoso in the factory mohlomo ba swapile ho ja no thidi a gona ho utsweya hai bantwana ba bang ba lona ne le ka ra le tswa o se le tlo tswa o phopholetsa o setse fela mokotinyana wa stroll o re ne to tsitse khupha amanzi beza tuma uvuke sizibile into zenu re lo di fa batho ba rona bana le dikelello mara ba se monate ha beneza uvuka ni o setse mokotinyana wa stroll o re ne to tsitse kana mama le ka di ice cream bana ba ka lenjisa monate ka di ice cream lenjisa monate ba mphandi ice cream le malomo lenjisa monate bothata bana ba ka yes bari ice cream lenjisa monate jwale di ankhantsha jwale le etsa re ke go deeper man le etsa re ke go deeper lona ne re tlo le utswetsa hle yo ba bang ba lona ka re le nno ka re ka elata ile ke utswe ke re zoom thank you ba ntse ba re tshwara no video gift ke tsena ba ntse ba gift ke le rata ka love I understand this ke le rata I don't eat I don't drink ha ke sheba di gift tse le mphantswana gore letsa gore kutlwa I don't eat I don't drink fela ke kopa o nyamela fela ka mo I don't drink the way le phandi gift ka teng I don't drink I don't eat I don't drink le re fela sa ka di ice cream ka di rose ka di eng ka di tau di tlampha di tau ke tseba bona Quand je le bana go gae nna ke kopane le bona ba monate mare ke itse ho bona ka re nka ntho tsa lona le tsameng ka tsona because le hana o mechisa guys quand je le wetsana today abafazi ababi basadi bababi abafazi bababi including basadi ba ratanang bao le ratanang le banna ba bona ba babi mare ba chatting abafazi nithandana namadoda wabo ke kuba ibeka Sotho basadi ba o le ratana le banna ba bona banyetse ibile le a tseba hore ibile ha le bua le ka bentse le re your boyfriend ka ka bona mosadi wa hae o jwang I don't know this guy o nana hanang hore akanka mosadi ya so o tseba kre le bile lona di side chick li compare le di ragte tsa banna le ba di boyfriend tse tsa lona ne as compare like why le ka hleng giftan la hlala ndinyei why e ka re jale le dija ho lona tabatse yes I'm paying giften bana baka so why le ka re le akota why ka re le ba personal jwale bothata ke bona ibile le akwata thank you bantse bang gifta ibile le akwata ibile o tloka motho o vunta city yo ha ka bona boyfriend ka I don't know why ya nyetse mosadi ya mobiso mosadi ya uso o vunta city yo lo buten thandana nayo u chatting fa zombi ombi kanti basadi bana bababe the difference between bona le lona it is because bona ba as much alimubi but engqondweni abanye abafazi babhadlile at least bababi but you've got something you will benefit on ngobona bababi mara bana babahle abanye abenu apha ni bahle le bahle le di captain le di Tupperware beautiful Tupperware but with no brain anina ngqondo halibua and ntwele shapa lona basadi ba bangata ntwele shapa e1 botle ba lona bo mathela mona o buhlebeno bo baleke lapha and ke tlo le jwetsa nkile ka iruta ntwena ndike ndafundisa ngayo ndathi if you are good sexually if your punana is good if punana yawe ile monate ile good do you know that punana yawe ka o yetsa a permanent side chick permanent side chick with a good punana and good looks and good punana but side chick of the legend side chick of the forever Lola yeah Baba Balola lady side chick forever the legend of Dimbokoto of Women's League of Long Leaf side chick forever ni kushainwa ngano ho brekwa ka lona thank you so much ho tsamaya o tholoro you are a side chick but boyfriend there married man e tsamaya ka wena e ya di holiday ka wena e ya di vacationing le wena e hamba nawe konke and you are so excited or yo re ne re tsamaile le mothoka re ile Dubai re ile Turkey re ile China re ile kai kanti ngwanaka the only thing the reason why this guy atama ko bana wena o vice grip because baba mbono le device grip bana bam ha le tshwara le tshwara ma ni ai ba le tsipa ai ni atsipa bantwana bam ni atsipa ai ni atsipa ya tsipa ma ele atsipa ma ai le atsipa ma ai le atsipa le device grip le atsipa le o tla hema o tla perfumulwa it I perfume my seat it's shapa ma hazard mar monga tsipa ha hona le bo malume ba tlang akho malume next akho ha hona le dikgomo tse fetang gating akwazi nkomo eqithe gating ka tsipa yao Amana me kutwe meka tsipa But mahazatiano no ragadi hauna bo malume ba tlang because bon, especially when o batla lenyalo nga funa umtshato bon ha se sex ha se di hazard ha se di hazard ha se sex ha se di hazard ha se di hazard se etsang re mothanyana ha se sex ha se beauty ha se bo buhle ha se ngoma hazard se etsang re mothanyana ha se di sex ha se di hazard next di shape bana baka le shape tsa di lori le shape tso golo di hazard le shape bo le shape di hazard le di shape hore o di shape hore impundu tsa go zivuke zibhlungu o di shape di hazard hore ditono tsa di tswe di le bohloko ke di cramp Shape di hazard mntanam uzibethi hazard impundu zivuke zibhlungu ditono di tswe di le bohloko mara ko jwetse lenyalo o tla le bona perfect wedding ke atla lona bamphang di gift I don't drink, I don't eat, I don't sleep when I think about you. I don't drink. I letla bona manyalo perfect wedding. Letla bona manyalo perfect wedding. How na le remote o shebeletse 157. Ka di hazard tseno tsa gago. Letla bona lenyalo perfect wedding. How shebeletse Manele lona ba ka Facebook di a letlalela le tla jwatswa ke sister Jakubeta Torobetse ya gale le tla jwatswa ke nna bana ba ka if una le di hazard tse monate o shapa di hazard vo my reasoning capacity how ona o stabono ona le pride ha o qeke ha o kgathalle tla go jwetsa reka remote change remote o ha o batla o shebe ha o batla lenyalo o tobetse perfect wedding o tobetse 157 157 o tobetse 157 lona ba batla manyalo ni ne funa ukutshata ngwana ka ke o fa advice if o poho ona le pride ha o qeke ha o kgathalle sheba bana ba batle di hazard fela ba funa nengqondo amadoda ka funa izahazard nje but ba batla dikenelo number 2 ba batla re boikokobeso so re batla boikokobeso bana ba ka re batle di hazard fela because the hazard ke entertainment it's a spice the hazard is spice. The hazard is spice. You can do whatever, you can say whatever. Thank you so much. When I'm gifted, I get some gift I keep on hand. But what I'm you can do whatever. Okay, better the spice, okay, better the hazard, so the truck. Or better the hazard, so the truck. Super hazard. Some bamba, some capure, some men are conjalo, some suicidal. But oksala banna linyalo hali etswika sex because re batla ingqondo le sex di tsamaisane together. They must go together. You need, when you are good sexually, you need to be good reasoning, humbleness, submissive, kaofela dintho tsena. Jwale ntho e ke ratang ke ena ke na ntse into endithandayo le mametse bana ba ko Facebook le TikTok na ntse into endithandayo lona le nahana hore because you are good sexually, just because you are good, you think just because you are good sexually, just because you number hazard to you think, especially lona ba batla stability, especially lona ba batla ho nyalwa abafuna ukuchata. Tonke le jwetsa bana baka, if you think you are good, awuzubamba indoda nje kapunana, you will never ka se thole mosadi ka monna ka punana, never. Never. But that's all we tell you some what's all one of if you're good sexually, they will bribe you. If you are good sexually, if you're good, una lidi vice grip, una lidi the hazard, but I'll bribe. Bribe picking is something called bribe picking. Lona le sor la becha. Yo, boyfriend account tirela, undenzela yonke into endifuna yo. Boyfriend account undiphinda endifuna yo. Yo, boyfriend account umpa ke bribe. It's a bribe or bribe. It's a bribe. Because you know, ntwa ibatlang ufuna ukuthi angakusokoli. That is why awupatalang. It's a bribe or patala so that as ka usokula or wena o tlo mufa lepona o tlo mufa lepona le di hazard tsa teng but lenyalo lona o tla le bona perfect wedding. O tla le bona perfect wedding. It's a bribe bantwana ba. It's a bribe. Again, we are appreciating. Sometimes I really facilitate. It is not like you are special. No. You are not special. But it's just that we are buying you. We are buying your attention. We are buying your availability. Because you must be available for us. So that is why we regale the phone. That is why we find chalete. That is why we regale the weaving. Because we are buying the availability. We are buying the attention because we rebata utola. Sifuna kuni fumana. Lona di hazard. Rebata utola. Rebata utola. So it is not like you are special because ufumana chalete uprimali. Because whenever we are to buy, we are China City. It is not your special. Liboma hosa. Ba emintileng abamendleleni bayabhatalwa. Babhatalwa. We pay for your time, we pay for your availability, we are bribing you so that you must be available. Wait, boyfriend taka undenzela yonke into, wait boyfriend taka itirela everything. Why don't you wait to everything? Wa bribe wena. I'm going to show you the command. The command. I'm going to show you about Kwatile. I'm going to show you about Kwatile. There's nothing special about you. There's nothing special about you. Re gona fa di waiter just to say thank you, waiter, for your service. Thank you, waiter, for your service. le bo magosha a ba ba tengsa inyame strato ba rekisa le pona strato re gona ba patala re thank you waiter thank you Khoshiza thank you Khoshiza for your time thank you we pay for your time it is not like you are special it is not like Lunali special therefore now because monna motho a yetsa dintho for you think you are special no you are not special you are not special. It's just that we are paying your time. How we are bribing you so that you must be able to avail yourself. When we want that tipa, we will bribe you, we'll pay you because attention. Even a phone, I will buy a phone so that I must not strike it. I must not strike it. But the lenyalo lona o tla le bona ha o shebeletse perfect waiting o tshwerere mo dutse o ntse o tebetsa 157 yeah no fee because guys you will never next week but for now focus abasadi for now never you'll never never so go and check go to restaurant le fitla le shebore banna ba kena le basadi ba jwang restauranteng go and sit down o shebe amatota ngena na bafazi abanjani restaurant you will ask yourself Marakilis Matiso beautiful but why ke ditsikili wa but a wa sheba o kena mosadi a so restaurant aso a tsamaya le monna hae wena o le so alone o le tapa we smart but alone why because Luna is able to sex it's a spice and a sex it's a spice 30 minutes 1 hour 30 minutes it be about 5 minutes 5 minutes sex it's a spice so only 1 hour or 5 minutes it's a spice but we'll never sibamba matota nke sex okay go thola lenyalo ke go tshwara monna ka sex because it's just a spice so 5 minutes now counter the hour salitsatsi di 24 hour salitsatsi 24 now if we have sex you are giving me a sex only maybe for 1 hour a couple of 15 minutes say 20 minutes come on Tom you are good when you are good sexually ponana we imunat come on Tom when you are good only for 15 minutes now Hannah for 15 minutes you are good for 15 minutes but 23 hours and mama minute you are bad. Huh? Because let us be honest guys, sex is only for 5 minutes. It's only for 10 minutes. It's only for 20 minutes. It's only for now the hour ratali katsidikai, the hour razelanga singapi 24 hours. 24 hours. Now If you are good sexually, it means when you are going to be only good for 5 minutes if your partner I have sex for 5 minutes. Come on, someone, when you are going to be only good 5 minutes. 24 hours thing. Guys. I must say let us be honest. When you are good only for 5 minutes. When you are good for only 30 minutes. You are only for 30 minutes. You are good for 30 minutes. Guys, man. You're going to dlala, man. You're going to dlala, bazalan. You're going to dlala. You're going to dlala. But what about 23 minutes, 23 hours? What about 23 hours? What about 23 hours? What is your role? What is your role? 23 hours. Let us take 1 hour, redivide them, come on 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, maybe. But guys, you're going to tell them. You're going to tell. Kalam Papa. You're going to tell. When now you're good only for 5 minutes. In a relationship, in a marriage, you are good for 15 minutes. You are good for 10 minutes. You are good for that handbraking. Some baba, some tapule. Some baba, some tapule. When now you are good only for handbrake only. For hazard. You are good only for hazard. Only for hazard. Only for hazard. You are good for hazard only. Guys, let us be honest. Thank you, guys. Thank you. No, it's impossible. No, it's impossible. No, it's impossible. No, it's impossible. Au khonahal. Kopa o kwala. Ke a fala. Kopa o kwala ke robala. If especially ba batlang lenyalo, let me help you. Baba Taninyalo, let me help you. I was saying to this lady, Kirohiana, Sheba, Kirohu, this lady, you are reasonable. This lady, Dr. Novi, Dr. Novi, but there's a guy I'm too much. So please, can you advise me? This guy, he said to me, I'm too much. This lady, let me help you. Let me help you. Every time Mona Bata will feel out as a man. Every time. Indota. Ifunu kuva. Ifunu ba indota. Chukupalujasa sipiruba usmakalona babata mwenyalo. Every time Mona Bata ukutwa. Guys, Shabang F1 mo. Shabang F1. Now, somebody or this lady Kirohiana, Mona omul omu. Laissez tlatla sa monna. Sebata o fila ore. Ki monna. Enya menyu ndota funu uva kuti indota. Tukupalujeta spirit. Jwale kya lukwele kya tamayanda. Monna omul omu bata o fila ore. Is a man. And kabu madimabi. Nesi panga sendote. Kupali mamele balabaka. Le monna, lesi tlatla sa monna. Sebata ufila that thing. Yaureki monna. Now, the problem ya Basadi, Baba Balona, you are too principled. You are reasonable. You are strict. You are controlling, not in a bad way, not in a bad way. You are that person who's strict, you are reasonable, you are strict, you are unali boundaries, unali ni naba amato tanjalo, lo naba sadi ba jole litlo dula le bang. Litlo dula le bang. Litlo matale vision active bana baka ni qinise impundu pha litise ditunu mane vision active lijima ntse le etsa vision active ntse le Lieta tipa ntse Lieta tipa ntse Litlo etsa tipa division active ni jime litise ditunu ni tsiqine sithi tse ditie dikotia bana baka ditunu ziqine le sapa le squat le shapa di squat le di shapa le tighter di hazard tsa lona le di tisa di hazard tsa lona. But the unfortunately part ke when you are when ole too strict, ole controlling, o batla dintho di tsamaye we wena o batlang ka teng, o tla dula le tsipa yeno ya hao le di squat tseno tsa hao. Wa ngutlo o tla dula yo hletse ka mpating. La ngutlo bana o tla dula le tsona. Tadula le tsona tsipa di squat kaofela dintho tse le tadula le tsona. A se tsona tse tlo thusa mo tshwara monna ntho tseo. A se tsona to mambi nona. They will never help you to hold a man. Ta di shapa di tsipa o di shape di squat ha o qetile typang guys typang hlabana. Shapang F1 mo shapang typang mo guys. Ke batla o kwala o tla di shapa o di shapa but ka mo they will never help you to keep a man. Ko ba samai pele ba mkwala kanet qalo hamba ke ne ke batla this lady kere when we are too strict and difficult and expecting things let me help you ke re tlo go jetse bophilong modimo ka o kadima kelelo ya monna modimo ka o kadima kelelo ya monna modimo ka o kadima bohlale but when monna a fihla bophilong bao learn to step down if unali utothola tepang guys tepang thank you so much man tepang guys riskara kwala riskara blue if you are flexible enough shabagonaka learn to step down when unali partner and sometimes act as if ustlaka guys mkala ndi kyakwala act as if ustlaka. Remember, when you act as if ustaka, that doesn't mean ustaka. You guys, if I'm like this, if he gets a saw, if these hands are sore, if he gets a saw, it is not like Linjalo, but in the Zenzil, if he gets a saw, if he gets a cripple, I'm not crippled, but in the sense, cripple. So if sometimes there is nothing wrong to make as if you are a stupid, because remember, you are the one can say is stupid, but in your mind you know you are not a stupid. Guys, you are not what? A stupid. We can say kare stupid, man. You are not. So sometimes if you get like but you know you are not a stupid one. But the problem Kuruluna, li feel when we get a start automatically start. No, you are not start, man. You are not. So sometimes if you want to win the winner monna, winner partner, winner boyfriend, sometimes act as if you are a stupid, but in your heart, you know you are not a stupid. You are not dumb. Manga, but it says that you are acting as if you are a stupid person, but you are not a stupid person. But Luna, your problem it is because you want to prove the point or when you who are you? You want to prove the point or when you are not a stupid, when you want to prove the point or you are very strict, when you want to prove the point or when you believe so much or dinto some forgetting or dinto as is on to even if you can try hard to prove yourself or when you are not a stupid, but dinto they will never give you a marriage. As get to umchato uzawufumana indodeni when ukafa monna ntwa ihloka. If you can give a man so as ihloka ntelo utothola lenyama. And guys, asibopha wabana Linda, there are times mo ke ketang start when get something, if I want to have something, if I want to gain something, if I want to achieve something, there are times more sometimes it is not wrong to act as if you are a stupid, but in your mind it's about you are not a stupid. Number two, no, target or what is your target? Your target is to prove yourself. Your target is to win your partner. I know your target. I target how king or target how king or target we prove a winner or go to an house or target win a partner. And if your target is to win your partner by acting as if you are a stupid, act on man. How's it you next? Actor. If they give out your Bible in it, there was a time more Bible in David acted as if David I acted. So sometimes you need to know your target. You need to know your goal. You need to know Urubato Achivaing. You need to know how to move. Now, okay, my target is to win my partner. My target is to win my partner. My target is to make sure that keep a family. My target is to make sure that happy. Your target is happiness. Focus to your target. Focus to your target. Focus to your target. Focus to your target. If your target is to make happiness, is to bring peace, and if that peace, you shock or act as if you are a stupid, Manaka act as if you are a stupid, but in your mind you know you are not a stupid, but it's just that you are acting. You are acting as if you are a stupid, but in your mind you know you are not a stupid. But the only thing is your target. You are focusing to your target. You are focusing to your dream. You are focusing to your goal. You are focusing your goal. Have a target. Have a target. If there is somebody umurata, and this person will act like a stupid, act like a stupid, you will never lose anything. Because you know you are not a stupid, but you are acting. Guys, generation, there are people who are acting, but we all know those people they are acting. They are not like that. There are people who are acting as if kiddy in top zitso. There are people who are acting as if kiddy prostitute. There are people who are acting, but we know, even Lebanon, they know they are not like that, but they just acting because of the prescription of king script. Yeah, but they get a prescription. They are acting. because of the script. Learn to act. Learn to act. If your target is to win your partner, manaka, if it's to win a couple, be a stupid to loser next. Number 2, if your target ilur munono bator, you must be humble. Be humble. How to you next? If your target ilur tola linyalo, and ilur linyalo don't call it tola, if you can be humble, just be humble. You will never lose anything. You'll never lose anything. You'll never lose anything. Bohle ba batlang ho improve. Bohle ba batlang ho prove hore bona ke bo bang. Le tlo dula le bang le di vice grip tseno tsa lona le di hazard tseno tsa lona. Le tla dula le bang, le tla panya, le tla shebela perfect wedding, le tla ba le di partnera perfect wedding. Le tla shebela perfect wedding, le tla shebela 1.157 lona. Na qetile ke a tsamaya. Because there are people who will never help you until Baubona as if you are a something else. There are people who will never give you anything until Baubona Ika, you are a something else. Especially, there are people who will never give you anything until Baubona Ika Rostaka. But if you are clever, Manaka, give them whatever that they want. When as long as Ramon, there are people who will never give you anything until you become something new by Baka. David, when David Afisha, who is this king? But the Bible says David Afisha gets us Clark. David to tonight can say Leshanya, Hafika, Hamurana Emo, Hotafika, Iketa Leshanya, I get a Karwashanya because Tageta high in illegal. David Nabaka protection. He acted as if he's mad, but this man was not mad, but he knew that Tageta Haiki, Onabata fellow, we put an accommodation. That is why. If there is a man, your mubata. If there is a man, your rata. If there is a man, your filamuri, hindota. And ubaka bundota, bahayeka butlata, mufebu tlatabon by. Give that man that opportunity. You will never lose anything. So that umechi se, ube munati kamona, kamani. Osape kap 3 pieces wanaka. Ube mnati konke, ube mnati kamona, ube mnati kamona. Otiba ubua, otiba unahana, otiba usapeka 3 pieces. Batenge 3 pieces mtanam. Harukapa hiyo. Batenge 3 pieces. Sapeka 3 pieces wanaka. Ube mnati kamona, otiba ubua, otiba unahana. Harukatile ubusapeka tipa wanaka. Usapeka 3 pieces. Betange 3 pieces mtanam. Betaka 3 pieces because at the end of the day, if only good fella kamo, only good kamo, the hazard thing come on. Utoba sai chiki for the rest of your life. Utoba sai chiki, eto jolan li banaba high. Utolor banabile bato kopalona unsole mama ya jolan li banaba jole. Utolor wena. Banaba ba jola ba gowisha luena umama ya gowisha they are gowisha in the house is the community of property of the gowishin. It's a community of property of the gowishin. Banaba banyane ba utola unzo le sai chiki bato utola unzo le sai chiki babe bato joina banaba to jola le mama wa jola le banaba jola in community of the in community of property of the joining of together of is one. Mama wa gowisha le bana ba gowisha kin community. Hayi lona le hlotsi. Hayi ne isile bantwana bam. Because now today, le koisha bana ba re thola ntse re fe re jola le bana ba tla bana re a jola boyfriend ya mama e frustrate mama le wena boyfriend ya king community of property of the frustration of the going through a lot, frustration of going through a lot of the family united. I suka. Ay, qetile. Ana qetile bana beso, qetile. But if you are good, Ndavazo, but you are not good mentally and reasoning. Tabasa ichigwanaka. Bata wisa Deben, Marti linyalo na nata lebona ke kopa le thuse I be guys I bonza kopa batho ba ka bonti mothusa moderator ke a kopa hleng guys every Friday ke teng mona 9 o'clock ke kopa di moderator kopa di moderator le tla ba di sa itshiki bana baka for good tla ba di sa itshiki. I love you guys. Until we meet every Monday, 6 o'clock afternoon. 6 afternoon Monday, we are here. And then Wednesday, 9 o'clock evening, we are here. Friday, 9 o'clock evening, we are here. I love you. Mwah. 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 Thank you, TikTok. We love you. We didn't close your... thank you, TikTok. You are our favorite channel of the highest, of the lover, of the TikTokers. TikTok, we love you too much. We don't eat. My number is 073 202 9079 073 202 9079 in a WhatsApp. If batla bualin, if batla canceling, if batla invite, I can come wherever. 073 202 9079. I love you guys.